It's 3 a.m. If you're listening to this, you've hit that wall of nocturnal wakefulness. You aren't just awake, you are likely experiencing a 3 a.m. cortisol spike, a sudden surge in your stress hormones that makes your mind race whilst the world is silent. This is a common symptom of sleep maintenance insomnia, but it is manageable. You aren't broken. Your circadian rhythm just needs a gentle recalibration. Let's move out of the fight or flight and back into peace. Welcome to Calming Anxiety. I'm here to help you navigate the mechanics of your mind. If this early morning anxiety is a recurring theme in your life, it's time to break the pattern. My Anxiety Circuit Breaker course is designed to help you master your nervous system. You can find it at calminganxiety.fm. But right now, your only job is to stay exactly where you are and breathe. We are going to perform a vagus nerve reset. This sends a direct physical signal to your brain to stop the production of adrenaline. So with me, inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Now a long exhale through pursed lips like you're blowing through a straw for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do that together again in a moment. Just ready yourself. And once more, inhale through your nose, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel your heart rate variability beginning to stabilize. With every long out-breath, you are engaging your parasympathetic nervous system, that rest or digest state. You are telling your body that the nocturnal recovery process can safely resume. There is no threat. There is only the breath. Again, following my lead, ready to inhale through your nose and then out through pursed lips. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then relax. Feel the stress melting away, almost evaporating from the very surface of your skin, allowing you to take back control over negative thought patterns. Relax now, deeper and deeper and deeper still. Tune in to that wonderful feeling of release with every exhalation. And then I wonder if you could imagine visualizing that cortisol surge in your body as a frantic, flickering red light. Now, see your breath as a cool blue wave of mental stillness as it washes over the redness, turning it into a calm, deep indigo. Every in-breath, you fill your lungs with more cool blue waves, and every out-breath you take back control. And so, within this moment of stillness, of mindful clarity, visualize these wonderful words within your own mind's eye and repeat these phrases. I am lowering my physiological arousal and returning to a state of biological calm. I acknowledge this sympathetic nervous system response without judgment. It is simply energy passing through. I am prioritizing my cognitive recovery over my midnight worries. I am stepping out of the anxiety circuit and into the nervous system harmony. My circadian rhythm is finding its natural, healthy balance. I am safe, I am supported, and I am allowing my adrenal glands to rest. Now relax, truly. Allow your body to soften, to drift deeply into the bed beneath you. You are safe. You are balanced. Because simply put, you are worthy. I am allowing my physiological arousal and returning to a state of biological calm. I am stepping out of the anxiety circuit and into nervous system harmony. And within this intimate connection of mind, body and soul, here are your 3 daily caring tips to stop the 3 a.m. alarm from triggering tomorrow. Try these bioregulation tips today. 1. Morning sunlight. Get natural light in your eyes within 20 minutes of waking to anchor your cortisol clock. 2. Delayed caffeine. Wait 90 minutes after waking to have your first coffee. This allows your adenosine levels to clear naturally, preventing a 3 a.m. crash and wake cycle. And 3. The brain dump. Use a worry journal before bed. Moving your thoughts from the brain to paper prevents cognitive looping when your guard is low or down at night. You've done the work. Your body is now in a better state for restorative sleep. If you dive deeper into the science of staying calm, join me at calminganxiety.fm. Now imagine your day when you finally wake, being as perfect as you could ever wish for. Take this level of positivity with you. Feel a smile on your face, the way that changes your mood. Relax and unwind. Be kind to yourself today and sleep well.